Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and one more problem in this series where we are learning integration from basics. So we have cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Here you will consider alpha as a constant. So how to solve this? As you can see in numerator we have cos 2x type term, and because we don't have something called the quotient rule in integration, so we will always want to get rid of the denominator. But denominator we have x type term, and in numerator you have 2x type term. But we have one formula for cos 2x type term, because cos 2x is, there are multiple formula, there are formula in terms of tan also, but because everything is in terms of cos, so in terms of cos the formula can be simplified like this: 2 cos square x minus 1. Let's use this formula and let's see whether it is simplified or not. So cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Similarly, cos 2 alpha can be written as 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Denominator will remain as it is in this step, so cos x minus cos alpha. Now let's simplify it further. So we have 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha plus of 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Now as you can see, 1 is getting cancelled and 2 we can take out because that is a constant. So we are left with cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha, and here we have a dx. Again, as my goal was to remove a denominator anyhow, and I think I have succeeded in it, because a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So I can write this as cos of x plus cos of alpha, cos of x minus cos of alpha divided by cos of x minus cos of alpha. So this as bracket, as you can see, can now be removed, and whatever is left is simple for us, because that will be 2 if you take common. So you will have integral of cos x dx, integral of uh, cos alpha dx. Now one thing is very important here, because alpha was constant, so cos alpha is going to be constant, and the integration is with respect to x, so cos alpha is constant. So integration is not for cos alpha, integration will simply be for dx. That means cos alpha will be outside, and in this integral it is simply integral of cos x, which is sin x, and in this cos alpha will come out, integral will simply be of dx, which you all know is x till now, because that can be written as x power 0, x power 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. So now this is 2 sin x plus x times cos alpha plus a constant c in the last. So that's how it is this problem. The basic thing was important, that anyhow want to remove denominator, we have a formula for cos 2x. Why not try to use that formula and see whether the denominator is getting removed or not? And after few steps of calculation, yes, denominator was removed and we were easily able to solve. And one more important thing was that cos alpha is a constant, so we have to take that out of the integration, and we just have to integrate dx, whose integration is x. That's it from my side. Do visit my playlist integration 2023 if you want to learn integration from beginning. So all the question of this series is there in that playlist only, and do teach this problem to your someone around you, so that this becomes even more clearer to you and someone else is also able to know. Thanks again.